Welcome to Melo's channel. Let's have fun. And today we are gonna be doing Maono's WM620 accessories. Today we have here the wireless microphone WM620 series, and these have 6 colors available, and the one that I chose is the color purple. And my first video is more focused on the unboxing part, and this one would be focused on the parts and the accessories you can use for this wireless microphone. And the first accessory that we did get with the microphone itself is the two magnets, and I'll show you where you could place the magnet, and it's on the back, the clip of the microphone. And as you can see, it is a very strong magnet. No worries because I have already tried it with my clothes, and it does stay put, and you don't have to worry it falling over. And you could also put it on your bag if you are doing something like an ASMR. And we have here a windshield that you could add on or buy additionally. And this one really helps with a more noise cancelling. And if there is a gust of wind, especially if you are outdoors, this windshield does help. And you do put this windshield on the top of the wireless microphone. And this is how it looks on it. And also the voice that you are currently hearing for this video is also from the microphone itself. And here's the other accessory that is included. It is the USB-C cable. As you have seen, you can plug it one microphone at a time and charge it. Or if you have a earphones that is USB-C, you could also do it for monitoring, voice monitoring. But this USB-C seems to not fit with this one, but it does fit the case more. And I do have other USB-C that fits the wireless microphone more. And also, I didn't know that you have to charge the case first. And that's why my wireless microphones did not charge at first when they were low bat. So I do recommend charging your case first. And of course, you do have to remove any accessories for the microphone to fit inside the case. And here's the next one. You could also buy a lavalier microphone, another external microphone that you want, or a much better quality wireless microphone, or like a lavalier. And this one is the one that I picked that I wanted to try. And let's unbox this first, since this would be my first time with this lavalier microphone. And so far, this microphone does sound better using with the wireless microphone, the WM620. And it does come with a pouch, which is really nice. And here are some of the other accessories that comes with this microphone. And this microphone does also plug and play on some older phones. And here are some adapters. You need this adapter for the WM620 series for it to work. And here are the clip-ons for this lavalier. And that's everything with this lavalier inside the box. Now, let me show you how I put this lavalier on. Since the microphone itself was not on and I was not monitoring anything if it's working or not, it would fit on this microphone. But as you can see, it comes with the adapter. You would need that adapter for you to hear your voice or for this microphone to work with this wireless microphone for the WM620 series. And also let me show you how to put the clip on with this lavalier mic. And of course, with this, since the lavalier microphone is smaller, it's easy to hide on your clothes and it's easy to clip on the microphone on your clothes. And here is a phone. Let me show you the plug and play, but with this Redmi phone, it didn't work since it was a older phone or a basic phone. It's best to ask the customer service of the brand itself of what phones does this wireless microphone. And here is a earphones that you could use for voice monitoring, and it really helps since sometimes you would only do a one take or a live, so it's easier to see if there are other background noises that it's annoying to hear. And here it is plugged with this phone. As you can see, this is a plug and play for the WM620, and it's not responding, but when I did with my Samsung phone, I can record and everything, just plug and play. No more apps to download or anything. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.